Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to learn about clouds. Cotton balls make me think of clouds. Clouds can be big, they can be little, they can be puffy or thin or wispy, white or gray or even almost black. Today I want to teach you about 3 different types of clouds. Are you ready to begin? Let's go. Today I would like to share with you just a few pages from these 2 books. This book has a table of contents, and I can see that the topic of clouds, clouds in the sky, will be on pages 10 and 11. Let me find these pages. Clouds in the sky. Clouds are made from drops of water. The amount of water in each cloud, its height, and the air temperature determine what kind it is. There are 3 main types of clouds, and I would like you to learn that in first grade. The first one is stratus, cumulus, and cirrus. And there are lots of combinations of these. Cumulus clouds are plump and fluffy like cotton balls. See how plump this cloud is? Small white ones appear on clear sunny days. So small cumulus clouds in the sky means the weather would be nice. But cumulus clouds that are big and black mean rain or snowstorms are on the way. The second type of clouds is stratus. Of all the main types, stratus clouds are the lowest in the sky. Sometimes they sit right on the ground to form fog. Although stratus means layer, the layers aren't always clear. Often, stratus clouds just make the sky look great. So we had cumulus that are plump and fluffy, and stratus, layers of clouds. The third type of a cloud that I would like to teach you about, and my favorite, is cirrus. These are high, wispy, feathery clouds. Here, the air is so cold that the clouds are made from ice crystals rather than water drops. Sometimes strong winds blow them into long strands because they look like horses' tails. To me, they look like lace up in the sky. Let's take a quick look in our second book. Soft, fluffy clouds that look like puffs or cotton are called cumulus. Say that word with me. Cumulus. That's what we read about in the previous book too. When cumulus clouds sail the sky, the weather would be fair. Nice weather on days when we have cumulus, small fluffy cumulus clouds up in the sky. Remember, the big cumulus clouds will bring us storms. Cirrus, these were my favorite. They look like feathery clouds. They are thin and wispy, and they float so high in the sky that they usually have crystals in them. These clouds are fair weather clouds. Here is another book that I have about weather, and I'm sharing with you bits and pieces of books today because I just want to share with you information about clouds. And I was very much impressed by the pictures in this book. Look Up in the Sky is the title of this section. And here is an example of big cumulus clouds that mean a thunderstorm is coming. Big, puffy storm clouds. Then look at the little white, small, puffy cumulus clouds that mean the weather would be fair. And then finally, light gray clouds that cover the sky and mean the rain or snow is coming. These are different types of clouds. Well, let me go outside and let's take a look at our sky and see what kind of clouds we can find in the sky today. Let's look at the sky today and see what types of clouds we see in the sky. What do you think? I think on this side I do see some puffy clouds, some cumulus clouds. But these ones, do you think they're stratus clouds? Or do you think these are cirrus clouds? I challenge you, go outside, take a look at the sky, and decide what types of clouds you see. Trying to remember the different types of clouds, I decided to make a little project. I used cotton balls and I tried to thin out the cotton ball and make cirrus clouds. Look at my cirrus cloud. This is a thin and feathery cloud. I think these are the clouds that I'm seeing in the sky today. Very fancy looking cloud. The stratus clouds will be more like a thick, even blanket in the sky, and sometimes rain or snow can fall from them. I don't think I see stratus clouds, up in the sky today. Finally, cumulus clouds. Cumulus clouds are puffy piles of clouds. I did think I saw a cumulus cloud or just a few of them up in the sky today, but when they're just small like that, it means that we're going to have a fair weather, and today it's nice and sunny outside, so that would make sense. Here is my cloud project. Cirrus clouds, stratus clouds, and finally cumulus clouds. It was rather difficult for me to make the difference between the cumulus and the stratus. Maybe if I make this one back into a cotton ball. Oh, I think now it looks more like a cumulus cloud. This one is nice and puffy, and this one looks more like a blanket. I hope that you learned a lot about clouds today. I think I did too. I will see you again tomorrow.